the employer provided health insurance enough, or should you have an additional health insurance cover? Financial expert Mr. Ramalingam will elaborate on this now.
In addition to your employer provided health insurance policy, yes, you should have a separate health insurance policy. You should have a separate health insurance policy, because employer provided policy will not help you during your retirement, or some employer provided policies don't cover them even during their notice period. It is not covering them, so it's better to avoid. When you go for a fresh policy after retirement, because of age, health condition, there can be restrictions and premium can be higher, and there will be waiting period for major illnesses to cover. So better to have a separate health insurance policy, maybe for a smaller sum insured. But when you are nearing your retirement, you can have a sizable sum insured.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.